We're going to talk about some word problems where we can use equations to solve it. When doing word problems, try and picture what's happening and write an equation from that. So for number one, Tom had his birthday party at the movies. It cost $27 for pizza and $8.50 per friend for the movie tickets. How many friends did Tom have at the party if he spent 78? So I'm going to define the variable. F is the number of friends. That's what we're trying to find that Tom had. I don't know that. That's my variable. I'm trying to find how many friends. So $27 was the cost of the pizza plus $8.50 per friend. So I'm going to put $8.50 times F, how many friends he had, which I don't know. And together, all this was $78. Now I'm going to solve this equation to see how many people he had. So the first thing I do, I'm going to box this. I'm going to subtract 27, cost of the pizza. So $8.50 times F is equal to 51. I'm going to box the F. I'm going to divide by $8.50, which will tell me how many friends, because it's per person. So F, 51 divided by 850. I'm going to do that over here. 51, move the decimal over 2 places. Divide by 850. Again, you'll have your calculator to do with this. Let's see here. 6, 0, 0, add the 3, that's 51, so that works out to be even. So 6 friends is the number of people that he had at his party. Number 2, Diane is taking a trip that is 224 miles long. So the total is 224. She already driven 59 miles. So she started driving, she's 59 miles into the trip. She drives at a speed of 55 miles per hour. How many more hours will she need to drive to reach a destination? So we're going to say H is hours. That's how many more hours she needs. So 59 miles is where she's at. She's going 55 miles per hour times H, however many hours it takes. And the total is going to be 224 hours. So to solve this, we're going to subtract 59 first. That's how far she already has driven. So 55 times H equals 165. And divide by 55, how fast she's going. So H is going to be 3 hours. So that's how much farther she has to go, is 3 hours. Now when we're done, our answer should make sense. If I get an answer like 30 hours, well, she already went 59 miles, and we only have a little bit farther to go. She's maybe about a fourth of the way. She's going 55 miles an hour, so our answer should make sense. 30 hours would be a long time to take to get to 224 miles. Sarah wants to buy some CDs that each cost $14. So CDs are $14. DVD costs $23. She has 65 to spend. So our total is 65. Now, a DVD means that's one DVD. So we're going to let C equal the number of CDs, because that's what we're trying to find. So $23 is the DVD, plus $14 for each CD, and she has a total of 65 to spend. So I'm going to subtract 23 to solve this on both sides first. 14 times C is equal to 42. Divide by 14, the cost of each one, and I get 3 CDs she can buy. Again, make sure your answer makes sense. So 3 CDs, that's reasonable. Number 4, rental car company charges $30 a day, so that's a fee no matter what, plus 5 cents for every mile. If the Bush family paid $49.75 for the rental car, how many miles did they travel? So M is the number of miles. So I have $30 plus 5 cents for every mile, and I paid $49.75. I subtract 30 first. So there's a total of $19.75 spent for however many miles. I divide this by 0.05. So 1975, I'm going to move the decimal over twice. So 5 divided into 1975. That's 315. Now again, you'll have your calculator to help you with this. 45. 395. So M equals 395 miles total. Your class spends $26 on supplies for fruit baskets. How many baskets must your class sell at $7 each to make a profit of 100? So 100 is what I'm trying for. That's the end result, $100. We spent 26. So $26. Let me write that at the end. So $7 for each basket. B is the baskets. So $7 times each basket. Now I'm going to have to take away in the end that $26 because that was supplies that I spent. So we're going to show that by subtracting 26. And we want a profit of $100. So to solve this time I'm going to add 26 to try and recoup that loss to spending on the supplies. But I still want $100 left over. Divide by 7. So 18 baskets is what I would have to sell in order to make a profit of $100. So again, we're going to define our variable, we're going to write an equation, and then we're going to make sure that our answer makes sense in the end.